236 species in genus Cattleya. Cattleya, my orchid obsession. I'm Ferb Vu, and I've got a confession to make. I'm utterly captivated by Cattleyas. These orchids, with their vibrant colors and intoxicating scents, have completely stolen my heart. There's just something about their elegance and resilience that speaks to me. Maybe it's their tropical origins, whispering tales of lush rainforests and vibrant life. Or perhaps it's the sheer diversity within the genus, each species boasting its own unique charm. Whatever the reason, I find myself drawn to them again and again. A diverse genus. Cattleyas belong to the Orchidaceae family, boasting over 200 recognized species. They're primarily epiphytes, meaning they grow on other plants for support, though some are lithophytes, clinging to rocks. Imagine them thriving in the humid air of the rainforest, their roots clinging to the bark of ancient trees, their blooms bursting forth in a riot of color. Cattleya labiata, often called the corsage orchid, this species is renowned for its large, showy flowers, typically in shades of lavender and purple. Plant FAQs. Cattleya labiata, queen of orchids. Cattleya dayana. This beauty hails from Costa Rica and boasts stunning golden yellow petals with a crimson lip, a truly regal combination. Cattleya macii, Venezuela's national flower. This orchid is celebrated for its fragrant, lavender-pink blooms. Cattleya walkeriana. This Brazilian native is admired for its compact size and vibrant flowers, often in shades of pink and purple. Plant FAQs. Cattleya walkeriana. Cattleya aclandii. This unique species stands out with its spotted petals, a captivating departure from the typical solid colors. See full list at monsteraholic.com. More than just a pretty face. But Cattleyas are more than just pretty faces. They possess an inner strength and resilience that I find truly inspiring. These orchids have adapted to thrive in challenging environments, clinging to life amidst the humidity and competition of the rainforest. They remind me that beauty can flourish even in the most unexpected places, and their cultural significance is just as rich. In many cultures, orchids symbolize love, luxury, and beauty. Cattleyas, in particular, are often associated with strength and refinement. They've graced corsages at elegant events and inspired countless works of art. My Cattleya journey. My own fascination with Cattleyas began a few years ago when I stumbled upon a vibrant Cattleya labiata at a local flower show. I was immediately captivated by its beauty and intrigued by its unique structure. That single encounter sparked a passion that has only grown stronger with time. Since then, I've been on a journey of discovery, learning everything I can about these incredible orchids. I've pored over botanical books, attended orchid exhibitions, and even tried my hand at cultivating a few Cattleyas of my own. It's been a challenging but rewarding experience. Cultivating Cattleyas, a labor of love. Growing Cattleyas can be tricky, but the rewards are well worth the effort. These orchids require specific conditions to thrive, including bright, indirect light, high humidity, and good air circulation. They also need a well-draining potting mix, as their roots are prone to rot in soggy conditions. One of the most satisfying aspects of cultivating Cattleyas is witnessing the emergence of a new bloom. It's a moment of pure magic, a testament to the resilience and beauty of nature. The delicate petals unfurl, revealing their vibrant colors and intricate patterns. And then there's the fragrance, a sweet and intoxicating aroma that fills the air. A lifelong passion. My journey with Cattleyas is far from over. I'm constantly learning new things about these fascinating orchids, and I'm always eager to expand my collection. I believe that there's an endless amount of beauty and wonder to be discovered in the world of Cattleyas. If you're looking for a plant that is both beautiful and challenging, I highly recommend giving Cattleyas a try. They're sure to captivate you with their elegance and resilience, just as they've captivated me.